I'm also opportunity to have you guys around. As I said earlier, I'm Collins by name. You can call me Khalid, so you can call me HD or Coach. Okay. What we do is to take chess to school. It's one of the two in education that will be approved as a national game to be inculcated in school. Okay, so make it an opportunity to learn it. Okay, so as I said earlier, the game will not take anything away from you, rather it will add something to you. Now the game is called chess, Chess. Okay, it's a mental game, the game of the mind. It is strategic.